In today's fast-paced digital landscape, harnessing the power of AI tools can be a game changer for generating income. This month, I managed to earn $5,000 using a variety of AI-powered applications and platforms. Here's a detailed breakdown video of how I achieved this and how you can potentially replicate these methods. Identifying the right AI tools. The first step in leveraging AI for income generation is identifying the right tools. There are numerous AI tools available, but the key is to select those that align with your skills and business needs. Here are the tools I used. 1. Copy.ai. This AI writing assistant helped me create high-quality content quickly. 2. Jasper, formerly Jarvis. Another AI writing tool that I used for crafting blog posts, social media content, and marketing copy. 3. Canva Pro. While not purely AI, Canva's AI-powered design suggestions and tools were instrumental in creating engaging visuals. 4. VidIQ. This AI tool helped optimize my YouTube content for better visibility and engagement. 5. Shopify's Kit, an AI-powered virtual assistant for managing my e-commerce store. Content creation with AI writing tools. Content creation is at the heart of online business, whether it's for blogs, social media, or marketing materials. Using Copy.ai and Jasper, I was able to produce a significant amount of content in a fraction of the time it would take manually. Blog posts. I wrote a series of blog posts on trending topics within my niche. Each post was optimized for SEO using Jasper's suggestions, which helped drive organic traffic to my site. Social media content. Daily posts and engagement on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook were automated using Jasper. This consistent activity kept my audience engaged and growing. Marketing copy. Email marketing campaigns were created using Jasper's persuasive writing capabilities, which resulted in higher open and click-through rates. Enhancing visual content with Canva Pro visual content is crucial for capturing attention. Canva Pro's AI features suggested design templates and layouts based on the content I was creating. This was particularly useful for social media graphics, creating visually appealing posts that garnered likes and shares. Blog post images, adding custom images to blog posts to increase reader engagement. Infographics, simplifying complex information into easy-to-understand visuals that drove traffic and shares. Video content optimization with VidIQ. Video content, especially on YouTube, is a powerful medium for reaching a wide audience. VidIQ's AI capabilities helped optimize my video titles, descriptions, and tags to improve search rankings and visibility. Keyword research. VidIQ provided insights into the best keywords to target for my niche, ensuring that my videos reached the right audience. Content ideas. The AI suggested popular video topics and trends, which helped in planning content that would resonate with viewers. Performance analytics. Real-time analytics helped me understand what was working and what needed adjustment, allowing for quick pivots and improvements. E-commerce management with Shopify's Kit running an online store can be overwhelming, but Shopify's Kit AI assistant made it manageable by automating marketing tasks. Ad campaigns. Kit helped create and manage Facebook and Instagram ad campaigns, targeting the right audience segments based on data insights. Email marketing. Automated email sequences for cart abandonment, product recommendations, and follow-ups helped increase sales. Inventory management. Kit also provided insights into inventory levels and suggested restocking times, ensuring I never missed a sale due to stockouts. Results and earnings breakdown. By the end of the month, my combined efforts across these platforms resulted in a significant income boost. Here's the financial breakdown. 1. Content creation and blogging. $1,500 ad revenue from increased traffic. Affiliate marketing earnings from blog links. Sponsored content and collaborations. 2. Social media marketing. $1,000. Sponsored posts and partnerships increased brand awareness, leading to higher sales. 3. YouTube channel. $200 AdSense revenue from increased views. Sponsored videos and affiliate marketing for e-commerce sales. $300 increased product sales through optimized ad campaigns and email marketing.